Hey friends, Sketchy's here, and I want to know, would you like to get really good at drawing hands like this? Well, if you do, the first step is learning to draw the finger. Yep, just the finger. Now the finger is basically a series of tapered cylinders. Each finger, or each digit, is a cylinder that gets smaller as it gets closer to the tip. From the profile view, the side, kind of like this here, I'll draw the top of the finger. This is this knuckle here. This is the fingertip. And about halfway from between here to here is this knuckle. So about right here is this knuckle. And then this finger digit starts about halfway between here and here. See that? And then the fingernail is about halfway between here and here. So fingernail, first digit, second digit, really long third digit. Now here's something really interesting. The pad of the finger, this one, the first digit, or the first segment of my finger, it goes from the tip all the way down to here, and then to here, and here to, wait a second, this doesn't line up with this knuckle. You see that? So this goes like this here, this goes here, this goes to about right here. See that? 1, 2, 3. And then this is where there's a pad here for this knuckle. And there's a pad here. So let's draw this. Knuckle here, knuckle here, knuckle here, little bump. And the reason there's a bump is because there's skin there that stretches when you bend your finger. So this is the measurements of the finger. Okay? So first segment, second segment, third segment. And they're really cylinders because it looks like they're kind of round this way. See that? So if I were to turn this into space a little bit, I would see a fingertip. I'm gonna draw the whole finger like this. This would be the first segment of my finger. This would be the second segment, and this would be the third segment. Even though this is where, about halfway is where the pad would be. So a cylinder, kind of like a tapered pop can. Second cylinder. Third cylinder, really long. Okay. So we have cylinders that are stacked up onto each other, connected. If I were to bend them like this, it would basically, I would draw the top of each finger first. So 1, 2, about the same size. These are the same size. And then this one is a little bit longer. Twice as long as these. Okay. Cylinder. This is also a cylinder, and it overlaps, and that's okay. And then this cylinder is really long. Wider here, narrower here, and it's about the same size here to here. A little bit narrower. And this one, narrow from here to here. And I kind of taper it up to the top there like that. And of course the fingernail would be about right here. So a little cylinder that's tapered, another cylinder, that's about the same length, and this one is about twice as long. So that is the finger. And really, it's not a perfect cylinder because it's more flat on the top, where the knuckles are. See that? It's a little bit flatter. So keep practicing drawing the whole finger, divide it in half for this knuckle, divide it in half again for this knuckle, and divide this one in half for the fingertip. Okay, so that's our measurement. I'll draw a little oval for the wrinkles. These two have kind of like these ovals. This is this. So that's this, this is this, and this is the finger nail. So draw the back of that finger first, and then from this knuckle to this knuckle, kind of drop it back down just a little bit, so it bumps up on the knuckle, and this comes back to here. And if you can see, check this out from the top. See, this is where the knuckle is, but this is where the skin ends. That lines up where this is. See that? So, here on the back of the hand, between here and here, is where the skin comes together for the other fingers. And this, of course, each finger is pretty similar. They're just different lengths, and they're placed on the palm in different ways. So let's just focus on the finger first. Tapered, and it gets wider here at the knuckle. Wider at this knuckle, and then really, really wide to about halfway, where this comes into play. And then from here, there's a pad right there. You see that? It gets to the palm. So from here, there's a little pad that gets to the palm. This is this part. I'm gonna make it let's make it a little diamond shape, because sometimes it looks like a diamond shape. And there's a tendon that goes from here to here. I'll try to draw that a little bit. There's also a tendon that goes from here to here, but you don't see it very much on young people, but old people, you see those things really, really easily. And then there's the soft, fatty part of your finger underneath. So keep practicing drawing these cylinders. And next time, I'll show you how those fingers connect to the palm and how the thumb connects to the palm in a way that's very different than our fingers. Catch you next time.